Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Time's 149th edition release, and today is release day. So everything that we have been showcasing all week is now available for purchase. Make sure you use one of the designer's codes. Mine is MOE if you'd like to use mine for 15% off your total purchase. Any other day it will be 10% off, but 15% off on release weekends. Now remember, this only runs 2 days, so you have today, which is February 21st, till tomorrow, which is February 22nd, and it ends at midnight. So please keep that in mind. We also are having a hop here and on Instagram, and that will be for a $50 gift certificate. So make sure you are leaving a comment on all of the designers on YouTube as well as Instagram. To be available for that, you will need to be a U.S. resident, 18 years old or older, and to leave a comment. And I think that's about it. So let me just go over some of the items that we have been showcased. So first off, I have the epoxy stickers. Love these. We'll have to get more for myself. And just keep in mind that once the epoxy stickers are gone and that embossing folder, they're gone for good. So make sure you pick up both of those. And so love these, and they're in about 3 different colors, I think, or 4 different colors, but very cute. And here's another item that we showcase. It's called Perk You Up Stamp and Dies. And so these are all the stamps. Love the faces, super cute. And then you can put these words or the coffee, a little coffee cup, into either of these, and then the sentiments or the faces into the cups. So very cute. There goes the dies. And then we have the coffee bean card stamp and die set. You'll get 3 in this set. Really cute. Love that. Shaped like a bean. I also tried to do my version of a macaron. It's so cute. And remember, that also fits into the 3x3 envelope if you have it, or the holiday envelope. And then next up we have the coffee frames and charms. And this is really cute. You can also use this as an eclair if you'd like. Really cute. It could go for either or, for an eclair, a frame die, or you could put it on your little coffee box. I seen Emma do that yesterday. I thought it was so cute. Oh my gosh, but adorable. Love these. Comes with those charms there, and then you can layer this up the way you'd like. And then that coffee bag, probably my favorite. Oh, I love the way it looks. Too cute. Now here we have a coffee bean chain, and this is the back part of that. And then this is a layer that you can put on the front, as well as this. You can stamp your sentiments in there. It's up to you, but really cute. That's the coffee bag die. And here goes that embossing folder I was talking about. Like I said, make sure you pick this up because it won't be back if she runs out. So love that though. Love it. Make sure you get it. And then the paper, which is adorable. Now for the papers, they look exactly like that embossing folder on the back side, except for it has colors for each one. And then there goes all of the rest of the copies there. Now let's jump into my projects. And then here goes a couple projects that I created. I added the coffee bean plant on the side and added my sentiment down below. Pretty basic. And then I also took the little bear from last month. I cut off the hearts, but I added that little coffee cup, and I did emboss that coffee bean in the background. Super cute. Here goes my version of the macaroons. I added some flowers, and then I added some little beads on there. And then this one has Smile, It's Your Birthday. And I colored that up in pink. And then here goes the teal one, Cake, Candles, and Smiles, It's Your Day. Love it. I did add some glitter paper in there to make it a little shiny there. Next up, I did a rosette, and I really like how this turned out. I did add a coffee bean on there, a little flower, and so, one of her little leaves there. And I also heat embossed everything that's stamped out, except for this on the back side, but it's so cute, and it was just perfect fitting right in the center of that circle. So I really like that. And then here goes another card that I created using the paper pack. And that paper pack was called Brewed with Love 2025. But I love how she had created these little cards that's on there, which you can use maybe a tag to cut it out, or you can fussy cut, whatever way you'd like to get that on your project, you may do so. But I also use that paper in the back. And then this is using that 5x5 card-based layer die. And then there goes the inside of that. And then I use the frame dies as a tag. So I just put a little clip on there, added the little charms off to the side. I used the coffee plant leaves again, well, my interpretation anyways. And then I cut this out twice in order to get the color of the hearts there, and then added that paper in the back. Love that. I said that stamp die is just absolutely adorable. Love the faces. But anyways, love that. I did add that sentiment that's from that same set, and added some of those coffee beans, and I also used that embossing folder behind it. Just adorable. And there goes the inside of that card. And last up but not least, this adorable coffee box. Just too cute. Love it. I think it's 2 inches deep. I think this is 2.5. I may have given you the wrong measurement the other day, but I think it's 2.5 inches wide, and it's about 5 inches tall. Although you have to give an account that the sides are folded in. So, but still a decent area for you to have lots of goodies in there. And then I also added these charms, and then the sentiment on the back side, and I velcroed that. But adorable release. So make sure you head over and get your shopping in and purchase some of these goodies. Check out all the pictures at the end, and that's about it. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day, and have fun shopping.